How to turn on incognito mode on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on incognito mode on Bumble. So to do that, first of all, open the Bumble app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to go incognito, you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will see the option incognito mode. You can see a toggle bar just right to it. In order to turn on incognito mode, simply tap on this bar and then a pop-up will appear where it will ask you, do you want to go incognito? Now going incognito means only people you've swiped right on will be able to see your profile, and you will be able to turn this feature on or off instantly. So simply tap on the option turn on incognito mode, and since I am a free body user, I won't be able to turn on incognito as incognito needs Bumble Premium. So in order to go incognito on Bumble, you'll have to upgrade to Bumble Premium. You can choose any one of these plans right over here. It doesn't really matter. And once you've done that, you will be able to go incognito on Bumble. So that is basically how you turn on incognito mode on Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.